Hello, and welcome to Notary Life with Kimmy. Well, hey guys, today we are talking about how to write a marketing script. What should you write when you're writing the script? Because sometimes most of us have not been trained. We don't have a college degree in marketing, and we don't know what to say. What do we say? How do we get started? Because if you don't know how to market, you have no business. I'm doing a little series on marketing, so this is a part of the series. Okay, I don't know what part you're watching in the video, if this is part 1, 2, 3, but this is part of the video series about marketing. Because again, you have to learn how to market. We're not born knowing how to market. Okay, you don't have a bottle in this hand and a marketing script in this hand. That's why you got me. Okay, so let's do it. So anyway, you want to write the script with your ideal client in mind. Okay, so today we're going to visit nursing homes. What are the needs at the nursing home? So you want to think about who are you going to market to, right? If you're going to the barbershop and you're going to talk to guys at the barbershop about your notary business, what would come to their mind? Something like instant gratification, right? They need it quickly. They needed somebody to come right now. But if you're going to the nursing home, they might need somebody that's more compassionate. So the person that is like the administrative person, you may even let them know, I'm very compassionate about working with the elderly. You see what I mean? Versus when you go into the barbershop, hey guys, I just want to let y'all know I offer this service. I come to you. So you got to think about who you're marketing to in order to write an effective script. Okay? Act as though you're only talking to one person. If you try to please everybody in the barbershop or everybody in the nursing home, it won't work. So kind of focus on the needs of what the majority of the people need. And that's how you're going to come up with your script too, okay? Don't copy word for word what somebody else said. I know it's a lot of courses and a lot of books, a lot of scripts. Try to be original, because people will know if you just found something offline and you copying it word for word. They will know, okay? So that's the other piece of this too. Be authentic. Be authentic. Be you. Whatever services you're in. Today we're talking again about notary. But use words that your audience will understand too. I mentioned this in the previous video. There's no need to go in there talking about acknowledgments and Jurats and stuff. When you're writing out your script, there's no need. Keep it simple. They don't need to know that you took training at this company, ABC. They don't need to know that. They don't care. They really don't. All they want to know is, can you stamp that paper? And what are the benefits? Okay, make your presentation memorable. For me, most people recognize my flower. I always have a flower. If it's not my flower, it's my pink lips or pink glasses, pink watch. I love pink. You know, something memorable about you. What is it? Is it butterflies? Do you like frogs? Do you like cats? Do you like dogs? What's in your logo? Something that's memorable, okay? And when you're writing out your script, again, keep your audience in mind. It's all about them. When I teach the Notarize Like a Pro class, I have a little segment in there when I always say, it's all about you. It's all about you. As the notary, I'm teaching them something. And if you have not checked out that class or anything notary related with us, check it out, notaryeducatorsllc.com. It'd be our pleasure to assist you. But I always say, where is it all about me? Where is it all about me? Well, not when it comes to marketing. When it comes to marketing, it's all about what is your client? What do they need? It's all about the client. What does the client need? What does the client need? Okay? Keep it brief. Again, doesn't have to be long, drawn out. Just go in there and say what you got to say. Keep it moving. Leave your cards. Bye, bye, bye. Okay? And again, be professional. Always be professional. Even if the person you're talking to on the other side may seem like a homie, you know, they may seem like, oh, she's cool. Oh, he's cool. You are courting them. You're trying to become their notary. So we're not going in there like, hey, homie, high fives and fist bumps. And no. Even if they come across like that, because they're still looking at you. And sometimes people might even kind of trick you like, okay, let me see what they really gonna be. Or who are they really? You know, so be cautious. Always keep it professional. So those are a few tips I had on marketing today. Again, this is part of a little series. So if a little bit of it sounds familiar to something else you've heard, this is a new video, okay? Until next time, this is Notary Life with Kimmy. Bye.